This particular house that we styled has got a dedicated media room. Now, when I say dedicated, it is soundproof and it is for watching movies only. But we wanted to kind of mix that up a little bit when we came to styling this space. We wanted to make sure it was functionally really well set out for the media room concept, but also to have a conversational feel to it. Now, what I would say is, first and foremost, the TV was already here and it was never going. So this big black box here was something that we had to work with. So we started there, a bit like how we often start with artwork and then work backwards from that. We had to start with the TV. So where we went from there is we wanted to bring in these kind of black accents throughout the space. So we wanted to ensure it had a really calm, kind of natural, kind of organic palette, but we had to bring the blacks in. So we've gone with a beautiful little coffee table down here. We've got some detail in the lamp. We've got some dark tones on the coffee table as well. And that was just enough to complement the TV. And then we move into more so kind of natural, neutral world. So we've got this gorgeous, oversized rug. Now this rug is enormous, but it had to be to fit the space. Because what we had to make sure of, the rug has to live underneath all of the lounges. This beautiful modular lounge here from Oz Design was the first large piece we chose, and it fits perfectly in the space. So given it fits wall to wall, we chose to push it back against the wall, which is not something we always do. But yeah, just given it fit perfectly, we thought we'll push it back and make the most of the space. Therefore, we had a really large space between the lounge and the telly, which opened up the opportunity for us to bring in these two single armchairs. And that really gives this room a bit of bit more functionality in that it's not just for watching movies, it's also a conversational space. The artwork behind me in this room is actually really important because it introduces that kind of mustardy, buttery, bony color. We pulled that through in some of the cushion from the lounge. But the really good piece about this artwork is that it's not going to distract you when you're trying to watch a movie. So hence there's no bright, crazy colors there. It's very natural, very neutral, and complements the space. Now, in my opinion, a media room should never feel formal. It should feel super relaxed and inviting. And if you see how we've arranged all the cushions here to me, it screams, jump on me, relax, and sit back. So we have these beautiful matching cushions here with the lounge, and then we've gone with a few accent colors to kind of complement the tones we've got in the artwork, particularly these ones over here. But as you can see, you can mix and match these up. You know, if you've got kids coming in here, they're using the lounge, there is no way they're going back exactly how you have them. But when you have a bit of variety in your cushions, it doesn't matter how the kids put them back. So remember, styling a media room doesn't always have to be about the TV.
I'm in a good